Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dr. Nikhila Akte from Satara, Maharashtra. I am here for course 3, 2 days hands-on workshop at Dr. Pankaj Talwar sir. I am going to speak on the ovum pickup needle today. So this is a 17 gauge 35 centimeter ovum pickup needle. It is red. The handle is red in color, and there is a notch on the above so as to put the thumb, so that the beveled edge of the needle is above. Now the tip of the needle is sharp from all sides, and it has serrations on the at the tip, so that the needle will be visible on ultrasound. So when putting this needle, the tube is 90 centimeter, so the total is 125 centimeter. Now at the end of the tube there is a silicone bunch which has to be attached to the test tube. There is a lure lock so that the suction will be maintained, and the other part also has a lure lock which is attached to the suction pump so as to maintain the pressure, negative pressure of 110 millimeters of mercury. Uh, Now, while using this needle, transvaginal sonography is used along with a guide so that the needle can pass through the transvaginal sonography probe guide, and it is visible on the ultrasonography. So, while inserting the needle, always on the ultrasonography monitor, 75% of the ovary has to be visible, and the needle has to enter the middle of the ovary and the middle of the follicle. So the left hand should stabilize the probe and the right hand should be used for ovum pickup. So when you enter the follicle will collapse, and the follicles has to be the pickup has to be done in a single line. So after 2 or 3 follicles, withdraw the needle and change the direction of the needle by 1 degree and then again enter. The lateral movement should not be done, otherwise there will be lacerations of the ovary. And after the pickup, the needle has to be kept in a straight line. Otherwise, if we put the needle in the lower direction, all the ovum that has been picked up, it will fall down by gravitational pressure. So it has to be kept in the straight line. Thank you.